You can see this one. Okay, so let me switch this sharing. Uh, share screen. There's my website. Okay, so I believe you can see this. Very good. I believe you can see this. Okay, so this is, so I'm gonna go to Facebook Ads Library now because this is what we're going to use to, Facebook Ads Library. So you want to say, just search, just click on it. I don't know if you can see my search bar, Facebook Ads Library, and just go in. That's all. So it's going to load the Facebook Ads Library. So you just come here, click on Ad Library. I believe you can see my mouse. And so once you come to Facebook Ads Library, you want to select your category, all ads. Then you click on keyword. So we're going to say cakes for birthday, cake, birthday cake. Let's say birthday cake. And then we are going to see a ton of results. You can see 6,700 people who are doing cake. Now I want you to take note of a few things. Firstly, you want to take note of this. Is the ad active or is it not active? Very, very important. Now, why do you want to take note of this? Because if it is not active, it might mean that the ad did not work, and so the person shut it down. But for you to know, you will now come to the next place to see when did it start running. Very important. This ad started running yesterday, so you can't even guarantee that this ad is working. Now, another big problem with Facebook ads is that it's, even though you select it, we're on Nigeria here, we see ads that are basically not done by Nigerians. It doesn't used to be like that before, but all of a sudden, I don't know, Facebook is kind of messed up. All right, so you can see that this ad started running on December 18th. So obviously, you cannot know if this is a good ad because it started running just yesterday. What you want to look for is ads that have been running for a long time. All right, so let's see. These are not even the right things. Let me see. I search for birthday cake. I'm seeing story. Not nice, not nice. Okay, so see cake, see something about cakes here. This is also yesterday, so you cannot really guess if it's working. You can be sure. This is December 17th. This has nothing to do with cake. This has a little bit of cake. Let me see. That's nonsense. This is cake, good. This has been running since December 17th, so that's like 2 days ago, right? So to some extent, you could take a look at this, but I will still look for something which has been running for much longer. You can also click to see ad details. Let's look at it. So look at some ad details here. You can use this to know more about the advertiser. In case you want to follow them, this is the advertiser's page. So basically, every single ad you can see it on any ad being run on Facebook. You can actually see it here, as long as the person has not deleted the ad. So if the ad has been deleted, let's look at this one. This has been running today. You can't really judge from it. And so you just keep searching basically. This is 16th. This is cool, but this has nothing to do with cake. I don't know. This person is just, I don't know what this person is sponsoring. There's another one on cakes. Let's see. Mm. So you see from here, you can even see the copy, what this person wrote. You can see the copy. You can use it to, edit your copy. Look at the copy. Very nice. So I'm not really stressing on that, but I just want to show you this person is sending you to WhatsApp, right? He's sending you to, well, you can actually click from here and go straight to our WhatsApp if you want to do that by clicking on seeing ad details. You just be able to send them a message, but I don't think you can do that. Yeah, maybe the ad is not running. Okay, it's actually running. I don't know. Okay, I'm on my system. So you won't be able to go from here directly to WhatsApp. Okay, so similar ones from system, but I don't know what this is about. Obviously not. You can see why I say Facebook is actually messed up. This should be Thailand. This should be Thailand, or Burma. So yeah, Thailand language. So you can see more on cakes. So you basically can see that we can find a lot about cakes here, right? This is another one. Nobody's. Please just click the link. Who is trying to get in? Okay, so this is on cakes. All right. Um, so I think this is getting really long. I don't want this to get so long. So we can see how it works with Facebook, right? You can check out everything. So in some cases, let's look for something. I want to be able to show, okay, look at this one. You see, you can send message. The reason why I can send message, because this is on Instagram, I can send message straight. Like I said, I'm on my system now, so the idea of WhatsApp will not work, right? Like I can't send message to WhatsApp. You can basically see anything. I don't know why cake is showing. Okay, the reason why birthday, you can see why. That's why this popped up as well. So I'm just trying to show you that this is where you could do massive research, right? Massive research. When I wanted to run my Facebook ads campaign, one of the things I did was to come and check Facebook ads, right? I had to check what are people saying about Facebook ads. And so I did a lot of searching to figure out what are people saying about Facebook ads. You'll see a lot of people, most of the ads you're seeing, everything's going to pop up here. All right. So I need to be sure it's following me. Where is it? Okay, so this is how you carry out research with Facebook Ads Library. I don't know if there's any questions here. If there are, please drop it in the chat. I'll respond to it right now. If you still need more clarification, then you drop it after the class. Let's jump to the next thing. The next one we want to check is how to, where is it? Okay, we're going to use Google search now. Let's use Google search. Where is it? Okay, so we're going to look on Google. Let's just go straight to Google. This is pretty simple. This is pretty simple. We don't need too much here. We can just come on Google and click on birthday cakes. Again, the important thing is for you to look at what are people saying. You want to see ads that people are running. So let me show you ads. Where ads? No. Okay, so my location is not set. I might not see any ads. I don't want to set my location. I might not see any ads because Google cannot know what to show me. So I might not see ads. But normally you will come here and see what are people saying. You will see some ads that are showing up, and then you want to click on it and follow through to see what people are saying. How are they presenting their products? What are they using to sell? But the thing with Google, unlike Facebook, and you don't use the same creative, so I will not advise you to copy the creatives that they're using here, style they're using on Google. What I would advise you to do is to use it to get ideas. You want to get ideas, you want to land on their landing pages. Most of what I'm seeing here are recipes because I can't see ads. On a normal day, the first three things that are supposed to pop up will be ads. But you see, I don't have a precise location set up, and I don't want to do that, to be honest. So you won't see the ads. But this is Facebook, sorry, Google, and it's pretty simple. Now the next one is Facebook groups. All right, so let's go back into Facebook and let's use groups. So we're going to use Facebook groups. We can see how we can actually get some ideas because it's all about ideas. Advertising is generally about ideas. So let's see how we can get some ideas for our cake. Okay, we're slow. Okay, so we are on Facebook right now. So we want to search Facebook. So cake, birthday cake, just search for it. There are, like I said, there are groups for almost every single thing in this life on Facebook. There's a group for everything on Facebook, right? So look at this guy. You see this person is targeting people who search for cakes online. So anyways, look at this is a group, Cake World, Cake Gallery, Cake Affairs, birthday cakes. These are pages, these are groups. You want to join these groups. You want to join these groups and look at what they talk about. How are people talking about these cakes, right? You want to get ideas. You can even come here and copy creatives which you use. If you don't have fine creatives of your cake, you can come here and copy them, especially free ones. You can come here and get creative. Look at how beautiful these are. And you see a lot of people who are on this stuff who are talking. You can stay here to search what these people are saying, what type of cakes do they like, right? What type of cakes do they like? If you notice, people love them based on what I'm seeing. Now, this whole stuff is a cake. It's amazing. Like, it's really amazing. I love cakes, so it's one of my best things ever. Now, this whole stuff, like including the burger, everything is a cake, right? And people love cakes. So if imagine you using this as your creative, this is mad. This is a very, very mad creative. If you're selling cakes, it's going to go well. Firstly, this creative is going to organically blow. You can see how many, look at 3.2K people already like it. See how many comments. So if you use something like this, automatically your creative, you will be having CPM of 120, 200, 300, which is very good, right? Instead of you getting a poor picture and your picture is doing 1,000 naira in CPM, 2,000 naira in CPM. And your CPM is, we'll talk about the cost per thousand people that see. The higher your CPM, the less people see your ad, the costlier your ad will be, right? So I'm just trying to show you another way of doing research. So what else, what else, what else? Now, the last thing we want to, I would have mentioned Nairaland, like I said, this thing is down. So that's another place you can do research. So I've shown you 3 awesome ways to do research. I'm going to stop sharing now. We are going to jump into our next